Professor Bruns, thank you so much for just taking a couple of minutes to tell us a little about Congress. It's enormous. 10,000, 11,000?
8 to 9,000.
A lot of people.
Yeah, 2 days coming, therefore we expect more.
So some more people to come. Can you share with us the insights of the organizational mechanism that's making German oncology so spectacularly successful?
Yes, what for us is interesting, we do this Congress primarily for different groups. First groups for education, for young doctors, so that they learn something about what is cancer, because they don't learn it so as we think they have to learn it in their hospitals, because every time they're looking on internal medicine, on surgery, on other things of this, and then here they see that oncology is a part of all these groups. Sure. Everybody shares a part of this, and they can learn here how to do that. Also, we do is at our internet platform, we do new campus to get people there to tell other people what is oncology, what can you learn there. There's one part. The other part is that we are looking especially on scientific new ideas. We know in America there's ESCO. Every year we do this congress every 2 years. But so our groups who are working in studies come together here, discuss their results, and look how they can do that further on. And the third big part of this is structure, the political umbrella of oncology in Germany, where we have now big topics where we discuss here about studies, what is the amount of money people give for studies or something like that.
Funding?
Funding, we are organizing this especially by two parts. We have one, the scientific part, we do by our own money, and we do the other part that is by industry, who do here their... Yes, and they do their work here, and they have to give us money so that otherwise we can do other works in scientific.
And where does your money come from?
My money is coming from the German Cancer Society. I'm there for 100% job.
Sure.
In my further time, I was surgeon, and now I'm working only in the bureau.
And the German Cancer Society gets its money from?
From a special we got from people who die, who give us the money afterwards, then the member fee. They give us, we have about more than 6,000 members, and they have the fee. And
yeah, sure.
Yes, and then we have organizations.
Are they professionals? Or are
they the 6,000, they are normally professionals. Yes.
That's right. Okay.
There are some nurse professionals, but the most of them are doctors and scientific people.
And then you interact with the big government research bodies and the
yes.
institutes and the networks of cancer centres.
Yes, what we have the government gives money to organization like Heidelberg,
yes,
which
we know very well.
Government, yes, and but what we see are the doctors and the professionals working in this area in the hospitals, and we organize the guidelines discussion is done by us, and for Germany, in collaboration also with international guidelines. What we are doing, certification of centers, we look that they take the guidelines, how they take it into daily work. We check them and say so that the people, the public people can say, okay, they do that. We're looking there what they're doing scientific work, are they working in the right studies and something like that.
And Hohenberger was talking about the National Cancer Plan.
Yes, we have.
Terrific.
Yes, that's an international. In the European area, 2 years ago, there was a big agreement that they say, okay, we want that the nations in Europe do national cancer plans because the burden of cancer in the future will rise up. First, about the older people, and the other side because the treatment is going successful, and therefore the people are going longer in life, and therefore we say we have to be prepared for this future. And therefore we do cancer plan. That's quite new because we have established governmental bodies who discuss and decide. And now we have the cancer plan, and we have to look where this cancer plan takes his way through all this.
Quite a challenge. And nothing happens automatically, I can assure you. Having been involved with cancer plans in several places, yes. You still need to have people to make it happen.
Yes.
And, but at least the politicians are taking a lead in terms of saying, yes, this is something we should be doing.
This evening, I think our Minister of Health will come to us at our evening session, and will make a speech there. And will be a very fundamental speech to the team of oncology. And everybody, most press are coming there to look what is the Minister of Health talking about cancer and cancer plan.
Fantastic. congratulations. I think things are extremely healthy in Germany, and
Thank you.
I think the German Cancer Society is doing a great job.
We live healthy. That's
Absolutely. Thanks for joining us on the Cancer TV.